Hello Divas, I have another unboxing for you. This was another one from Black Friday special and I hope you like it. It's very colorful. It's a square and it speaks to my hippie heart, what can I tell you? And let's see, there's always a 10% off on the box. There's always instructions on the back of the box. And any information and everything that you need to know is contained within the box. Now, first things first, you only know it's a square at this point, right? Let me move you over a little bit and show you the kit. If this is your first Diamond Art Club kit, this is a square kit. The square drills. They contain a tweezer. But they contain everything else that you need: a pen, a boat, a squishy to put on your pen to make it easier and your fingers won't slide off. It comes with 2 heart-shaped wax. It comes with a bunch of baggies, and it comes with a multi-placer, and this is a 4-placer, which I love. All right, let's squeeze all these goodies back in the bag. They are coming out with new toolkits. And I've seen a few unboxed with the new Harry Potter diamond paintings. I cannot wait until I get one in one of my kits. But they're coming out soon, I know that. I can share that with you. They come out with a small sticker of what it is, so you can put it on the end of your box or in your notebook or however you want to use it. And I love to put it on the end of my box so that I can see it at a glance what's in the box. Okay, so let's get into this beautiful canvas. Now, the canvas is beautiful. It feels nice and soft on the back, but yet stiff enough to hold all the drills in place. It comes with a pinked and poked edge, and I call that, see the decal edge on the side? That's so that it doesn't fray. And I don't think that this canvas would fray anyway, but that prevents it. And the poked is just like somebody ran a sewing machine on the edge, and you can see the little holes that it makes, but there's no thread in there. So it's not serged. Serge would have thread all the way around the outside edges. All right, this one is bigger than the last one that I just showed you from Black Friday. This one is a 56 by 56, and it's a square kit. And I will show you the colorful canvas. Let me unroll it first. Roll it up. Okay, you can tell it'll be upside down for you. When you roll it the opposite direction, it usually helps it relax. Do this only with mounted, only with poured glue. You cannot do it with double-sided glue or you'll get a mess, okay? Trust me, been there, done that. All right, so here is the canvas. You can see some of the colors. You know what it is yet? No? Don't know what it is yet? There are 64 colors. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. There's going to be 5 specially colored drills, which have a special coating on them. Don't know what it is yet. Oh, here's some more color. Yeah. It's the Chakra. Let's see. I'll show you. Where can you see it the best here? All right. It has the places of the chakra noted on the body that's in the center in a yoga pose. And I love yoga. I like doing yoga. It's not a religion for me. And, I take things with a grain of salt. But, hey, it feels so great to stretch the body and relax it. And to think about things that get stuck within you and in your mind or in your body, and the places you have pain, and how to relax them, that kind of thing. So It means a lot to me, and I love the wild colors. Love it. It's like an abstract painting. You'll notice that on each canvas you have the top left and the bottom left and the top right. You have a schematic of all the different signs and symbols and numbers. You have your DMC number and the number that it applies to in the kit. And you can see, usually when you have problems, you have a problem reading the darkest symbols. And it looks like the darkest symbols on here are very easy to read. Yeah, you can read that. And there's nothing that's like it that it's going to interfere with. Okay. Let me roll this back out so you can look at it while we're pulling out the drills. Also on the bottom of the canvas, you'll see a thumbnail. You'll see the kit number and the name of it, Chakra. The artist for this is Julia Watkins, and it's 56 by 56 centimeters or 22-inch square. Okay. It'll have the name of the kit on the outside of the baggie for the drills as well. Also within the kits comes a big sticker. You have the same information that you have on the bottom of the canvas you have on the sticker. You have each of these little things are individual stickers that you can put on the baggies that you get in your kit, or you can put them on the little boxes if you kit up into little boxes. Put that on there so that you can use that while you're doing your diamond painting. But this is the way the chakra is going to look when it's finished. Big, bright, and beautiful. So I noticed that of the first five, numbered 1 to 5, are going to be the ABs, and you can tell that because they have numbers lower than 150, and that's the way Diamond Art Club does it. Not all clubs do it the same. So just remember that. And beautiful, beautiful, beautiful diamonds. Let's see what colors we get. Every color of the rainbow, of course, because each part of the chakra is going to be a different number. I'm going to see if I can hold these up to you in a way that I can just sort of pass by them here. When we pass by an AB, we'll just note that color. This is affectionately called the drill train. I don't know about you, but sometimes my train of thought derails. Anyway, this is the white ABs. That's number 141. That's their favorite, seems to be their favorite AB of choice. That means Aurora Borealis, and you can tell it has a special shine on the drills so that it has, it sparkles more, it reflects the colors around it more. And I know all the colors of the rainbow are in here. Here's a yellow, a bright yellow, like a sunflower yellow. That's an AB. These are the brand new drills. You can tell that they are resin drills, not acrylic drills. Resin drills have no dimple in the back. They're nice and flat. They're all symmetrical, meaning that they're the same size. There's no wavy edges or bumps. There's very, very little trash. Diamond Art Club has its own company now, as its own company has its own factory that they make these. They're still made overseas, but it's their own factory now. So here's some more of the colors, the brown, pink, gray, light gray, and dark green. Oh, that purple. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you have a favorite color, one of my favorite colors is 550. It is this awesome, awesome purple. And there's such a deep purple that it almost looks like dark blue. Oh, here's one of them. The ABs. Here's a green AB. Okay. I know where I would put them in this painting if I were an AB. Okay. Green and orange. Oh, here's the other one. Pink. Pink AB. That should be pretty. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, and there's another one in a light blue. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And a dark teal. You're going to have a gorgeous painting. These colors are phenomenal. I love the colors. You know, I like kitting up and kitting down too, which means getting set up to paint, to diamond paint, and taking all your colors, and I stash them away because there are some kits, the cheaper ones that I get, that I like I like something about them anyway, that often have missing drills in them. Diamond Art Club never has missing drills. If they ever do, if you run into that problem, there's a 100% guarantee. You tell them that you have a problem and, you know, what the problem is, and they will rush to rectify it for the most part. Okay, so here's more pinks, greens, purples, teals. Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, look at those teals. Yummy. I love doing that because you get to play with the color. You get to see the colors up close and personal. So we're looking for numbers 1 through 5 on the canvas. And I betcha, yeah, here's some 1s, some 2s, 3s, that's where I hope to find them, 4. And there's some more 3s up here. There's 1s up here. Where's the number 5? 5 of the white. 5 of all the white dots around the outside. Yes. That white sparkly thing will make you feel celestial. Make you feel like you're meditating out in space. And all the beauty of space around you. The sparkles are in each of the chakra centers. And zooming out into the cosmos and the stars all around her. Oh my gosh, that'll be beautiful. Oh man. Oh man. Uh-huh. Hey, if any other creators would like to do a Zen inspired month contest, I would love to have a Zen inspired contest. I would love to work this out with any of you who want to work with me. If that's you, give me a poke at wandasworkbasket.com, wandasworkbasket@gmail.com, and we can talk about it. Isn't this awesome? A Zen or religious inspired painting. You're not allowed to argue religion, but just so that it's zen and peaceful and satisfying. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Or we'll have a hippie month. Flower child hippie month. Isn't this beautiful? So you've seen the drills, you've seen the kit, you've seen the stickers, you've seen up close and personal. Yeah. All that's left is to put it away and wait till I can get to it. So many wonderful things. Again, this is has just been available in the Black Friday kits. And hey, snag it while you can. Even though Black Friday and Cyber Monday are over, doesn't matter. Snag it while you can, because this is a beauty. And as soon as people realize that, they're going to start snapping it up. Okay? Again, that wasn't an airplane. Okay, thanks, and I'll see you again. I've got lots more to open, so stay tuned. Bye. Oh, add this on somewhere else in the, cut it, move it. I just need to tell you that this is a promotional copy. It was given to me to show to you, so it would inspire you to purchase these kits. Even though it is a gifted copy to me, I will tell you the absolute honest truth about everything, because I'm no fakey fake person. If I love it, I'll tell you. If I don't love it, I'll tell you. If something's wrong with it, I'll tell you. If something's wonderful and gorgeous about it, I will tell you. Okay, this hippie flower child chick is into peace and truth, man. All right, that's overboard. But anyway, yeah. So I needed to let you know that this was a promo copy. and I hope you like it as much as I do. All right. Bye, Divas.